In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello power-ups in a few simple steps. Trello is a great tool for organizing tasks and collaborating with your team, and power-ups can enhance your boards to make them even more powerful. So let's get started and explore how you can use these integrations to improve your workflow. To kick things off, navigate to your Trello board. This is the space where you organize your projects with cards and lists. Once you're there, take a look at the top of the board where you'll find the Power Ups button. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu, your gateway to supercharging your Trello experience. Now it's time to add a Power Up. Just click on the Add Power-Ups option and you'll be taken to Trello's extensive directory of integrations. Here you'll see a wide array of tools that can be added to your board, each with their own unique functionalities. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the choices, simply head over to the Featured section. This section highlights some of the most popular and recommended power-ups, making it easier to select the right fit for your needs. Next, if you're curious about which power-ups are currently enabled on your board, just click on the Enabled tab. This section is useful for quickly managing and reviewing the integrations you already have in place. If you prefer to see only the tools developed by Trello themselves, there's a convenient Made by Trello category that you can select. This helps in narrowing down your options. Alternatively, if you have a specific tool in mind or want to explore new capabilities, you can search for a power-up using the search bar. Just type in the name or category of interest and you'll quickly see all the relevant results. After you've narrowed down your selection, click on the Add button next to the power-up you want to install. You'll likely have to confirm your choice by clicking Add again. It's crucial at this point to read the instructions that come up. They provide valuable information on how to use and configure the power-up, ensuring that you make the most of its features. Once everything is set up, you can close the menu with a quick click. Finally, refresh your Trello page. This simple action ensures that your installed power-up is displayed correctly. You'll see it appear right next to the Power Up button, ready to be used to enhance your board. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily integrate power-ups into your Trello board, boosting your productivity and collaboration. Whether you're managing a team project or personal tasks, these tools can be incredibly helpful in streamlining your workflow. Thanks for following along and happy organizing with Trello.